Have you ever been in a situation when you followed all the recipe proportions but something went wrong and the result was way below expectations? I personally have been in this situation recently, and in this video I would like to show you how to save the day and still come out as a hero from the bad dough experience. Hi everyone, my name is Ilya and I'm a food enthusiast. If you like to make homemade pelmeni or dumplings but don't have much time or patience for the dough preparation, as a life hack you can use potsticker dough from an Asian supermarket. In my opinion, it makes the process a lot easier and faster, and the whole preparation time goes down roughly to about 40 minutes from A to Z. So here's my recipe on how to make dumplings or Russian style pelmeni using the store-bought potsticker dough. Step number 1. Prepare the meat filling. This is a list of all the ingredients you're going to need for the recipe. Chop onion and garlic in the food processor and mix it well with the meat. Add chopped parsley, salt, pepper and spices. Step number 2. Using store-bought potsticker dough, select the thickest one available, so not the wonton kind. Start making pelmeni. Each package has 50 wrappers. For my proportions, I bought 3 packages. Using 1 teaspoon of meat filling, start folding the dough. To make the dough thicker, you need to wet sides of the dough with the water. This is what it looks like. Don't put too much filling, it will make it difficult to fold and stick the dough together. If you can find another pair of hands to help you with the process, it will make it a great and fun social activity. You can freeze some of the pelmeni by putting them on a flat surface covered with a parchment paper. Make sure the pelmeni don't touch each other as they will stick to each other. Move them to a freezer for a few hours, and after that you can move them to a Ziploc bag and eat them later. I got about 120 dumplings from my proportions. How to cook pelmeni? Put them in a boiling salted water for about 5 to 7 minutes. After pelmeni float to the top, let them boil for another few minutes, and it's ready to go. You can serve them with butter, sour cream and some garnish. Done. Simple. Less than 40 minutes and it tastes amazing. I hope you like this video. Click like, subscribe to my channel and check notification bell so you don't miss my future videos. Thank you for watching and I will see you soon.